Got hiccups? Well, after trying many different techniques over the decades, I finally found one that works for me so far over the past 25 years, 100% of the time. And that is drinking the juice of an orange, whether it's a fresh orange or orange juice that you buy frozen or fresh squeezed or reconstituted. Works every time for me.